sweetest friends. This week's Parsha, Vayakhel. Shlomo says the deepest thing. Asks the question, why is it that this Shabbos, Moshe Rabbeinu first of all gathers all the Yidden together, all of Am Yisrael mamish together, got to get close. And then, the first thing he's telling us, teaching us about Shabbos. And everybody knows, before, this is Shabbos after the golden calf. The Shabbos before the golden calf. So we all still knew about Shabbos. We got the 10 Commandments. It says we have to keep Shabbos. So all the Rebbe is asking why Moshe Rabbeinu, the first thing now, is telling us Shabbos. So Shlomo says the deepest thing in the world. Before you're broken, before you're like the broken stones of the tablets of the 10 Commandments, it's okay you have a little Shabbos, Yeah, okay, you have some challah, you have some wine, you have a little fish, you have, some cake, whatever you're eating, Maybe that's enough. But after the 10 Commandments are broken, right? You need something so much deeper. You need a Shabbos that's so much deeper, so much more exalted. So here I want to tell you a story, my sweetest friends. Everybody knows one of the greatest, holiest Rebbes, the Sea of Lublin, the Chos of Lublin, the Holy Lubliner. Not only was he mamash gevalt Rebbe Ruach HaKodesh, could see from one end of the world to the next, but his wife was also very holy. But Nebuch, before he became really a big Rebbe, he was very, very poor. And one Shabbos was mamash getting late, and they were so poor, his wife didn't have candles to light Shabbos candles. It's an hour before Shabbos. She's beside herself. I don't know what to do. How can they live Shabbos without Shabbos candles? So she goes out to the main road, and she's hoping maybe someone come by who have mercy on her, give her a few rubles so she can buy 2 candles. She's standing there davening, Hashem, please help me. All of a sudden, carriage, mamish, beautiful carriage with 4 strong horses riding up. And a young man, a Jew, not religious, playboy, on his way to a party on Shabbos. He stops, he sees her crying. And he has a good heart. He says to her, why are you crying? Is there anything I can do for you? She says, yeah, I need mamish a few pennies to buy Shabbos candles so I can light my Shabbos candles for Shabbos. I can't live without the light of Shabbos. He says, a few pennies. He says, I'm ready to give you as much as you like. I'm a rich man. She says, no, I only want 2 pennies. He says, okay, here's your 2 pennies. Here's the 2 pennies. And she says to him, I can never thank you enough. You don't know, your mama saved my life. He says, I bless you. I bless you that for the rest of your life, you should experience the bliss of Shabbos, the Shashua of Olam Haba, the ecstasy, the bliss of Shabbos, of knowing there's one God. Okay, she goes home, she lights her Shabbos candles. In the meantime, the Holy Lublin is davening. Mincha. He has an Aliyah Neshama, he goes like up to heaven, right? He sees the Beit Din, the holy court in heaven. And they say to him, Lublina, it's not enough, you're always blessing people who don't deserve it. Now your wife is also doing it. Can't be. She blessed me. Should for the rest of his life experience the bliss of Shabbos? He's a playboy, doesn't deserve it. The Lubina says, listen, you're right. But this is what I'm asking from you. Let him experience the bliss of Shabbos just for 1 hour. Not more, 1 hour. So the Beis Din says, okay, Lublina, for you we'll do it. Okay, now the playboy, Shabbos already in. Hour later, he's driving in his carriage. All of a sudden, it's like lightning comes into him, feels the bliss of Shabbos. He says, I can't go where I'm going. I don't know what to do. After feeling such bliss, he turns around, takes his carriage and his horses, and he rides back to Dublin. And he goes back to the house of the Holy Lublina. Because he knows this is the place where the light of Shabbos really is. And needless to say, he became one of the greatest Lublina Hasidim. Mamash became Mamash a holy little bit of a Rebbe in his own right. So after the golden calf, after we're so broken, after our hearts are broken, because we lost the 10 Commandments, broken, broken, broken. You know what we need, my sweetest friends? We need the bliss of Shabbos, the deepest Shabbos, the holiest Shabbos, the inside Shabbos. So this week's Pasha, God's opened the gates for us, and He's giving us the little taste of the bliss of Shabbos. But the first thing is, in order to feel the bliss of Shabbos, it can't be that it's just for me. It has to be it's for all of Israel. So Moshe Rabbeinu is bringing everybody together this week's Pasha. And once we're all together, Mamash, it's so good, it's so sweet, it's so blissful. So I just want to bless us. I want to bless you, bless my sweetest friends, bless all of Israel with the light of Shabbos, the bliss of Shabbos, the most exalted, highest, most beautiful, wonderful, deepest Shabbos in the whole world. And I want to bless us. We should be so together. We should love one another in the deepest, most holiest way. Good Shabbos, good Shabbos. Shabbat shalom, Shabbat